What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and today is Wednesday, Hump Day. It is the freaking war of the week, right? And from now on, if you guys didn't watch my last video, every Wednesday is going to be kind of like a vlog day. I'll be asking you guys what you want to see, and just talking to you guys as like a person to person. You know what I mean? Not any top tens. No, not really any editing behind it. Just me and you talking, chatting. If I work on my car that week, then a car video. Hanging out with my friends, whatever. Well, that's what it's going to be. But anyway, today, I actually want to ask you guys a question again. Last video, I asked you guys a question on what car I should buy next. In this video, I also want to ask you a question. As you could probably tell by the title, what do you guys want to see? I just need to know. So, as we all know, your boy Mark Roden likes to be fully transparent with you guys on everything that's going on with my YouTube channel, my life, my cars, all that stuff. I like to be fully transparent. I like to let you guys know on everything that's going on, and right now on YouTube it is doing incredible. Obviously all thanks to you guys. My YouTube channel is absolutely taking off. I'm getting so many subscribers and new subscribers. So if you're a new guy, hi, I'm Mark Roden. I make badly edited videos, but people watch them for some reason. And today all I want to ask is what kind of videos you guys like to see. So here's the deal. So far I've found two kinds of videos that you guys love: the budget car videos and the deep dive videos. I don't know if all the like OGs of this channel love the deep dive videos, but by far they're doing like the best ever. My Prelude deep dive video is at almost 600,000 views in just a little bit over a month. Unbelievable. The Lexus SC300 video is at close to 300,000 views in a little over a month. Unbelievable. This Saab video has only been up for like a week and it's already at almost 60,000 views. Mind-blowing. So you guys obviously like the deep dive videos, so they, are here to stay. I will be doing those at least twice a week. Well, twice a week, not at least twice a week. I won't be doing them more than twice a week because they take some time, but I'll be doing those twice a week, and I will still be doing the budget top 10 videos, and I will still also be doing a vlog video. But there's that one day, and it's a Thursday. I don't know what to do on Thursdays, man. I don't know what to do. I want to do another top 10 video, but not about budget cars. I was thinking like my personal top 10, so I could do like top 10 coolest European cars, top 10 coolest VIP cars, top 10 coolest trucks. I could do that, but it's all my personal opinion on what ones I think are the coolest. I was thinking about doing that. I was also thinking about just doing random, like other random top 10s, like top 10 things all car guys say, top 10 things all cars need, stuff like that. I was thinking about doing that. But if you guys have another better idea, I know a lot of people out there have told me to do head-to-heads, like versus series. Like, so I put, you know, I'll take like, a lot of people tell me to do the Genesis coupe versus the G37 coupe, which actually is a good matchup because they're both kind of in the same ballpark in terms of price, horsepower, and all that stuff. But either way, I get what your guys are saying. But the problem with that is I don't want to be able to, like, I can do a good, bad, and ugly, or I can do a deep dive video, and I can do research, and I can get an estimated, like, understand the car and what it was built for and what it's good for, and then I can look at what other people say about the car and tell you guys what they're saying about the car and, like, whether it's good or not. And I can do that and get an accurate guess on whether or not the car is actually worth your money, and if it's a great car, if it's a legendary car or not, if it's underrated, if it's cheap. I can do all that stuff, right? I can get that through research. But a head-to-head video is pinning two cars against each other and telling you which one I think is better. And in order for me to do that, it's almost like I feel like I have to drive both those cars in order to give an accurate opinion on which one I think is better. Because I can't like I can say whether or not I think a car is cool, right? Like, I think the G37 coupe is cool. I don't think the SN95 Mustang is cool, for example. There are cars that I personally think are cool and I personally think aren't cool, but that's just an opinion-based thing. If you think an SN95 Mustang is cool, then you think it's cool. Everything else telling you which car is actually better, you need to be able to actually like experience what makes that car so great. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, to be honest with you, but you guys understand what I'm saying. You know, it's hard to give a review on a car that you've never driven before, and I don't want to be like, okay, so yeah, the G37 coupe is the better option, and then people go out and buy a G37 coupe, and then they drive a Genesis coupe and realize, wow, I love this car way more. I should have bought this car. This guy was wrong. I don't want that to happen, and I'm sure it would happen, because also I'm a human. I'm a human being. Okay, I have biases. I have things that I like. I have things that I don't like. If I put a FD RX-7 against the Mark IV Supra, it would be hard for me to tell you that the Mark IV Supra is the better choice, even though it realistically probably is. The FD RX-7 is very unreliable and doesn't get nearly as much horsepower as a Mark IV Supra does. But I love the FDRX7. It's my dream car. I've loved it ever since I learned about it. I love that car so much. I want it more than anything in the world. And so obviously I'm going to be a little bit biased to tell you that the FDRX7 is better. And that's the problem with doing a review without actually driving the cars. Because if I actually drove an FDRX7, and if I actually drove a Mark IV Supra, I would probably come to the conclusion that, yeah, this car is better. This Mark IV Supra is a better car. You probably want to go with this car. Looks aside, it's the better car. But it's just, I don't drive those cars. So the only thing I could do like a comparison video on right now is the Nissan 350Z versus the Chrysler PT Cruiser. And here, we'll do it really quick. 350Z is better in every way. Faster, cooler, about the same in terms of reliability. Same with gas mileage, but yeah. There's your PT Cruiser versus 350Z review. But anyway, let me know what other like videos you want to see. I have gave it a lot of thoughts to do head-to-head videos and compare two different cars. I have given that plenty of thoughts. I just don't think it's responsible and respectful for me to tell a bunch of people on the internet that a car is better than another car that I've never even driven. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make much sense. Maybe one day. I do want to still do the reviews. I do want to do car reviews and subscriber car reviews. And so if you have a car, be sure to send it to me on Instagram at ss.marky, and I will like rate them. And I want to do those again, the subscriber car reviews. You guys seem to like them a little bit. They weren't like blowing up or anything, but you guys seem to like them. So I definitely want to do those again, and maybe like reacting to things. So I'll like react to car crashes or stuff like that. I do want to do something along those lines too. So maybe we'll do those. So if you have a car, send it to me on Instagram. At ss.marky, if you are okay with me reviewing it. Be mindful that I am going to critique it, you know, so I'm going to find something that's wrong with it. I'm probably, if it's a car that I don't like, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to say, I don't like this car. It's just, keep that in mind, that, you know, you have to be a little bit open for criticism, okay? So if you do send the car, just make sure you know. I keep laying down because I just worked out. I'm so tired. I'm sorry. But anyway, guys, yeah, let me know what other videos you want to see. That's the idea I had, was to go back to doing reviews, do personal top 10 videos, just like my personal favorite cars and stuff like that. But obviously I'm open to suggestions. That's why I made this video. Wednesdays, like today, are going to be videos just based around vlogs and questions and talking to you guys. Mondays and Fridays are going to be deep dive videos. We're going to be doing 2 of those a week because you guys love them and I love making them. It's one of the most fun videos to make right now. And then Tuesdays are going to be a budget car top 10 video to keep you guys informed on the cheap cars for all you youngins out there looking for something cheap. Thursdays, don't know. So let me know what you guys think is a good idea. Do you think it's a good idea to do subscriber car reviews? Or do you think it's a good idea to do another top 10, but it's my personal opinion and it has nothing to do with pricing or anything like that? Or do you have a completely different idea in mind that you think I should do? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate all the support I've been getting recently, though, guys. You guys are amazing. Blowing up the channel, absolutely killing it right now. So thank you guys so much. And Das Vidania, have a nice night.